Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me. And don't forget, please make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so that you'll be notified when I post new content. So to get the video started today, we're going to talk about how it is that I keep my nice big black Corvette really shiny when I go to shows or whatnot. So to let you know that having a black car, it's not a color, it is actually a full-time job keeping a black car clean. Right now it's a little bit on the dusty side because I went to a car show this past weekend and I'm going to be washing it again soon. But just to make this short video for you guys, I want to show you the products that I personally use when I'm maintaining in between the deep polishing, deep waxing, compounding stuff. So when I've done all my compounding, whatever, my washing and whatnot, I want to use these products by Chemical Guys. Of course, they are not sponsoring me by any stretch of the imagination whatsoever, but these are the products that I prefer to use because they work the best for me. The first product that I use when I wash is called Blacklight. Now, Blacklight is really good. This stuff is designed specifically for black cars, and it works miracles. It is a fantastic product. It takes all of the debris, the dirt, the contaminants and whatnot, oils, whatever film that's on your car, and it takes it away, and it also brings out the color of your car if you have a black or dark colored car. So this is a really good product and I like it a lot. My next product is a VSS Scratch and Swirl Remover. Now this is really nice as well. It's also, of course, all the products are Chemical Guys. This works great for getting rid of those fairly medium, small to medium, and fairly large scratches. It'll definitely do the job. You use this with an orange pad, of course, also Chemical Guys, of course, and you can use this at about maybe a 5 or 6 speed. You can go pretty high speed on this to get those scratches and swirls out. This works great. So if you have a black car, you definitely want to get that. Also, with another orange pad, you can use this all-in-one polish and sealant. Now this is fantastic. This helps with the scratch and swirl remover. It does a lot to get all of the contaminants out as well, and it also covers up a lot of the scratches, small scratches and stuff, and it gives your car a really good shine. It also has a sealant in it, so it helps protect against like bird poo or bugs or whatnot, and makes it easier to get the dust off your car as well. This, you can use this with your DA or whichever polisher you want, even by hand. Stuff's really easy to work with, doesn't make a lot of mess, and you know, you can use your DA maybe about 5, 6, or even a higher speed with this as well. And this puts a really nice seal on your car and a pretty good polish, and you can feel the difference on it if you touch your car. Also, and last, well, not last, but pretty close to it, we have Butter Wet Wax. Now this is my stuff. I love this so much. This is my jammy jam. Butter Wet Wax, use very little of this. Now when you do use this, you want to make sure that you're using the yellow pad. It's a little bit foamier and softer. You don't want to go high speed and, you know, do the Incredible Hulk on this right here. You just want to be nice and gentle with this. It doesn't take a lot. Use very little of this product on your car, and this makes my car look like it just fell out of a diamond mine. This stuff is amazing. Chemical Guys, I love these guys. They're amazing. They're great. And last but not least, we've got this. Now, this is my little, of course, you know, I put that in a bottle itself, but the stuff that this is the V07 or the Hybrid V7 sealant. Now, this is a spray-on sealant, and you can use a microfiber cloth to polish it in and whatever and work it in. And this puts more sealing protection on your car so that you don't have to worry about it being, you know, getting contaminated by more bugs and bird poop and whatnot. So it's really important. It helps a lot, and those are the things that I use on my car to keep it nice and shiny, because it is definitely a full-time job. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me this evening. Once again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell down below, and have a nice evening. Please be safe, and don't forget that if you have to speed, please try to keep it under 100, but if you cannot keep it under 100, just remember, it's your ticket and you're going to have to pay it. And good night.